Ito guys, ito na guys, ang aking malunggay juice. Tapos kapit natin dito. Yan, inumin namin yan. Natulog si aking asawa kasi Sophia. Ako ang nain. Diba? Ito ang aking malunggay juice. Yan, may kabit sa naman kami. Lang tayo.
Hello, kumusta guys? Kumusta lahat? OFW, lahat-lahat OF, tanan, kumusta? Guys, ngayon, araw ng aking papa. Happy birthday, Papa, in heaven. Birthday po niya, October 10. Ano na siya? 76 years old na yung papa ko. Pero, unfortunately, nasa heaven na po siya. He passed away last May 3, 2021. Tapos ang nakasadang yan guys, no, I remember this until now. Today, his birthday. Yung nakakasadang kasi that time, nare-remember ko yan, ano pa yun si Sophia eh. 3 years old si Sophia that time. Tapos, naalala ko that time, May 3, nag-chat pa kami kasi everyday yung communication namin. Through chat, 24/7, basta everyday, morning o time. Kasi yung differences ng oras between Nepal to Philippines is 2 hours lang. 2 hours ang difference between Nepal and Philippines. And then, everyday we have a group chat together with the mama and papa and then the siblings also. And then that time, I remember May 3, nag-chat pa kami yung nila ni Papa. And then that time, he already make it he already make it smiling. Ayun, nakaano pa siya, nakahiga siya sa bed at that time. Tapos sabi ng kapatid ko na dadalhin siya sa ospital. And then that time, he told that no need. Because okay lang daw siya, he don't want to bring hospital. Pero in out na po siya sa ospital that time. Tapos, actually meron po siyang prostate cancer. Meron po siyang prostate cancer, pero pa siya, medication din siya. Hindi lang siya nagpakimo kasi ayaw niya magpakimo. Gamot siya doon. Every time, punta sila doon, saan ba yun? Yung sa Cebu Doctor, Cebu. Shoutout pala sa doktor ni Papa na grabe siya ka-patient kasi yung papa ko grabe guys, yung kita lang niya yung injection ng doktor, na siya. Parang ayaw niya. Parang si Papa sa mga medication takot. Pero yung nare-remember ko talaga that day morning, I think nag-chat pa kami 6 o'clock morning here in Nepal. 6 o'clock morning in Nepal, ayun, nakahiga pa siya, tawa siya ng tawa, tapos si Sophia, habang 3 years old si Sophia, sumasayaw si Sophia, ayun, ayun. Tapos ang tawag doon, Diyos ko yung dibdib ko guys, yung dibdib ko hindi ko hay naku God. Talaga naalala ko talaga, knockdown talaga ba. Ang hirap yung nasa malayo ka. Tapos that time, morning tumawag nagchat pa kami habang nagluluto ako, ganon. Tapos yung mga bandang mga 3 o'clock dito sa Philippines, tapos nasa labas yata ako umalis kami mag-asawa pati ang baby. Tapos siyempre hindi naka-on yung wifi kasi sa labas wala kaming wifi. Dito pag-uwi namin sa bahay, sabi ko, oh my God, ang daming tawag. That time pala, yung papa ko, na pala, anong tawag doon? Naghihingala na. Kasi, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, he passed away May... Ay, nako. Sorry guys, I remember talaga my dad. Especially today, birthday niya. Talagang until now, hindi ko maanuhan yung that time na Tapos nangyari pa doon, namatay yung papa ko. My father, he passed away May 3, 2021. That time, di ba usang COVID? Nagka-COVID ba yung asawa ko? My husband also, he get a COVID at that time. And then, I remember that time is very risky because Sophia is still baby, small. And then my husband, he has in the another room. He make it the alone because we're not allowed because that time is COVID. Too much COVID that time. And then the family of my husband, they came here to make me sila dito, nagkondoles, pumunta sila dito sa bahay, lahat. Very naman yung mga family ng husband ko, very brave sila, mami, lahat, Chaymat, lahat ng family niya pumunta dito. Kasi that time is very strict also to travel, not allowed. Kasi COVID yun COVID. Talagang, ay nako, ngayon I remember, I miss him so much. I miss him so much, guys, really, because last we met in each other in person, I hugged him in 2014. And then, after that, I go back to Dubai, and then after that, I enter in Nepal until now. But I did not feel homesick because kasi 24/7 naman always we are communication for the video. That's how I feel. Today only his birthday, I feel very, when I remember that the time happened, that suddenly, that's why I'm telling that life is so short. Suddenly, imagine guys, May 3, we are chatting 6 o'clock and then around like at 3 o'clock to mini-miss call from my family. That time, my papa already passed away. Like you suddenly very collapse your, I don't know what I will do that time. And then my husband also, he has a COVID. Oh my God, like I'm the one that, like your emotion, physically, mentally, you're going down. And then apart from that, you have a kids. Ay, naku, like a very tension in my life that time. And then he already make it for 1 week. Papa, he stay in the house for 1 week for the funeral. And then my mama said that it's okay, just leave it. My mom always advised me, don't make too much because you have a baby. You recently know that, because I'm a CS, guys. I'm a CS. That's why my mom and my sister always telling me just relax, because they know also my situation. First of all, I'm far. Second, my husband at that time, he has a COVID. And then Sophia is still small. We are 3 only because mommy and my auntie is little bit far our house. That time I remember. Don't worry guys, sooner I will tell you how we met my husband Nepali. And then when I enter here in Nepal. That is, I know already some people, they ask me that when you will story, one day I will make it the story for that. How we met my Nepali husband and then when I enter in the Nepal. But just now, for now today guys, I just make it a short vlog because I miss my father. I want to show you my father. This is my father, which is I miss him so much. Pa, where are you now? I know you are in heaven with the God. Please guide us always, and then thank you so much for your love and care for us. I know we not see each other, but you always in the inside of my heart. I love you so much. I love you so much. Guys, sorry to all have, kung meron kayong old, you have your father right now. Please don't forget to always love them, hug them. Because at least you have chance to hug, you have chance to kiss, you have chance to make it your feelings that you're still lucky. You have your parents, you have your mother and father. Just be thankful of God because we don't know, life is so short. At least you have your father. Just be love always with them, especially your parents, God. Now I have my mama. She is already 86 years old. But so far, we always, as I said to you, we have communication every day. That I will not feel homesick because always communication, and then I have also my lovely family here. That's why. Okay guys, I just advise you, please love your parents. Not every day you wake up, you kiss, you hug, you bless, just show them how much you love them, because without them, we are not here also in the world. Our parents is the best, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Be loved, be kind. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Much love. I love you so much, guys. I love you. I love you. Thank you to my supporters and subscribers. Thank you so much. Shout out sa inyo lahat po. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.